This is the elevator at Mustard Seed Market and Cafe in Akron, Ohio. Schindler 3300. Slightly messed up indicator. Here too. There goes this works. Let's get a cat view. Pretty basic. Here one. I'm not going out there because it opens up to the registers, but this one just opens up to the street. Do another round trip. Here we go. Actually, it's 3,500 pounds. Here too. This is my second Mustard Seed Market elevator. My first one was in Solon, but unfortunately it closed in 2019 and Tractor Supply took over and the elevator got ripped out. Here 1R. Here it goes, and that'll be it.